So we are here. We are here in the turf, and we'll be playing a quick game of cricket. So you must be splitting the teams. Okay. Pause. Cyrus. Yeah. Port. Let's do it. Heads. It's heads. We won the toss. We choose to bat first.
Or Ravi Shastri says they choose to bat first.
Good evening, people. Welcome to the match. I'm Joshua here, a slow spinner. With me is Mr. Gibran Ahmed. Hi, Gibran.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Joshua.
Today we can see the teams. Bengaluru Rockets, first team. We have a heavy team. If you have to explain, Frederick is the captain. And we have Abhi, our all-rounder. Cyrus is again a state-level player. He's from Germans.
Oh,
Yes.
alumni.
Yes, we have some alumni. And then let's take a look at the second team.
Gujarat Lions.
Gujarat Lions. Here if you see something interesting, Stephen and Rohan, both are left-right combination. Rohan is a left-hand batsman. He's also KCA like state level.
My
And
man.
And then last, professional batswoman, Shekinah.
Oh,
And above that, Joshua, me, slow
yes,
spinner.
sir. We believe in gender equality.
Definitely. We're going to start the match in 5 seconds. What's your prediction for the first ball?
It's going to be a wide.
Wide. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. First ball.
So, here we go. Oh my God.
Oh my God, that ball.
Looks like the batsman was not ready.
Do you think so?
Yeah, I think he was waiting for the cheer girls to come in.
Hey, you're seeing the replay.
Oh my God. It's a
Beautifully
wild
coming.
swing.
Wild swing. Oh yeah, it actually came in. And that's a Yorker, right? If I'm not wrong.
The bowler Stalin looks like the cousin of Pathirana, by the way.
Okay, here we go. Second ball.
Oh.
Your prediction?
Wide ball. Oh my God.
Scott. Okay, so the rules here are pretty simple, okay? If it hits the net directly, it's a 6. If it goes like touching the ground and still hits the net, it's a 4. Sides and all, there's nothing, but you need to run. Yeah. So
But
that's the rules.
the non-striker was not running. He was daydreaming. Sorry, night dreaming.
Night dreaming, huh?
Night dreaming.
Hey, state level player, Cyrus.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah.
which state?
Karnataka.
No, I thought liquid state.
Now you're white
Wide
ball.
ball, finally.
Now he's bowling like Pathirana. The match comes over now.
Here we go. Oh my God.
First 6 of the match.
First 6 of the match.
Yes.
Unfortunately, the cheerleaders went to sleep. Here we go. Wide ball. Oh, we have MS Dhoni from Tamil Nadu as the keeper.
He is also Karnataka.
Oh my God.
Oh, that same Yorker. Back to that Yorker.
The best thing.
Nice.
What a defense.
Nice.
Oh my God, look at the field lady.
Oh, it's not a very. Hey, out!
My God. What a throw. What a throw.
Now you have Dhoni.
Oh my God, Dhoni is bowling.
Karnataka Dhoni.
Police. Oh my God.
That's a no ball. That's a no ball, right?
By the way, where is the leg umpire?
Brother, we are only like this match.
Okay.
Hey, the no ball, no?
It's the first time I'm seeing fielders recommending to the umpire. What is the umpire doing?
They're changing the umpire. They change the umpire. Top cricket, you change the umpire, you don't change the players. Here we go, next ball. Slow ball. Oh!
Oh my God, MS Dhoni would commit suicide if he watched this. Women's team.
Outside! You think that's out? Outside. That is clearly out.
The best part was the batsman was looking somewhere else and not the ball.
Wow. Is it out?
It is out.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Is that a note? Where the grease? Okay, I can see the grease thing over there.
The best part is he's thrown his bat. He didn't keep his bat, he threw his
See, you
bat.
can see the line over there. But is that out?
Oh, it's going to be a tough call. Who's the third umpire?
No, they already given out. He's out.
Oh, he's already out. Okay. Karthik is in the house. Oh my god.
Here we go.
Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, the ball has not gone out of the ground, but the bat has. I apologize that we have got such a batsman.
Are you predicting another bat break?
No, I suppose there's a ball break. Oh my god. Oh my god. MS Dhoni has thrown the ball at the keeper.
Okay, we have Rakshit Daus. Wow.
Oh my god, it's.
No,
Oh my god.
It's a-
Here we go again. Oh my god.
Again, hit the net on top.
He's hit the roof.
Yes.
Oh my god, what
two
a
good
beautiful
balls and
ball.
then,
Oh my god.
Drop catch.
Eden's in the garden.
Another.
Oh, Eden is in the garden, but he dropped the catch.
Wide.
Here we go again. Oh my god.
Wide.
It's a wide and everything. Here we go. It's a straight shot, but
The block.
Dhoni feels it and didn't have dinner.
Again, it's a net. Falls short. Good over, good over. That is Rakshit. Just 2 runs from that 1 over. That's why you call him Aya. Eden Aya. He's a faster.
So Pastor is in the
theologist.
house.
Coming to bowl his first over.
So
Against
Jesus
the state
Christ is going to bless my man.
God is in our team.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What has he done?
that is the 3rd attempt for Cyrus.
Which
No feeling good. Oh, hey.
we go. Oh,
Oh, bowling.
it's a
man,
wild
bowling.
swing.
Oh, he
Oh,
swings
the fields lady finally moved.
faster left the ball through his hand.
Pastor goes.
Oh,
Oh,
bowling, man, bowling.
oh my god, he's
It's a
cut the
beautiful cut
shot.
it. Nice. It's a
4
8 overs
overs
match.
gone, 18 for 2.
Yes. You're seeing the bowling till now.
Why is it number 6 bowling?
He's a
Oh my
wicket.
god. Oh
What
my
timing.
god. The legend is in the house.
There you go, first ball from me.
What a beautiful ball.
What a feeling. It's 4.
You know, the entire pressure that was built by Pastor Sir is now gone.
Yes.
So Joshua
Second
comes
ball.
again. My God. Joshua coming from Ashok Dinda Academy of Bowling. With the 3rd ball of the over. Oh my God.
Wide.
Here we go.
Saw that. Saw that.
And pitch, by the way. Pipes.
Oh, did you see that? Oh, neatly. Oh my god. 13 runs on that over.
You know, if you guys had a fielding coach, he'd commit suicide. He'd commit suicide. Stephen is in the
have done well
house.
From after that loss. Stephen first ball.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Next
At
one.
least the drone camera moves, by the way.
Third
Here
ball.
we go.
No, it's not. That's not a 6. Third
Oh.
ball. Fourth ball, sorry.
And he smashed the
Catch
ball and it's
it!
taken.
So wicket, beautiful wicket.
Apparently, the fielding coach who committed suicide is back to life.
Stephen takes out the great Cyrus. 26 or 22. We're going to look at the ball again.
Here we go. He smashed it.
He smashed it straight into the pastor's hand
And the pastor has caught the ball and not the prayer this
and
time.
blessed it. Okay, we have Mr. Guggen, the new batsman.
Oh my
Oh.
God. And his pants.
So well this over.
Oh my God, he's bold.
He's a wicket. He's got 2 wickets. Wow, what a jolly. What an amazing over. 7 of the over and just 2 wickets.
The bowling team has done a good job. Ask Ivy Crew, if the crew had to get on a podcast with a person outside the music field, who would it be?
Who would it be?
Who do you think, Joshua?
I will tell the answer after everyone else tells us.
No, I think we'll get Ashok Dinda. Because he'd be a proud bowling coach. He'd cry.
Hey, I'll get Virat Kohli.
Orient fan or I don't know
Okay,
which
Stalin
fan.
coming back for second over.
Oh my God.
Beautiful ball. It's a nice bouncer. It's a no ball. Oh,
a no
umpire's
ball.
calling it a no ball. He's overstepped.
I didn't know the umpire was checking no balls also. Here we go. He bowls and he's missed it.
Oh, wicket keeper has missed a nice.
Oh,
he
he finally
flagged.
hits
No,
it,
no.
but for no use.
Frederick
up.
comes in. The captain of the side. Oh,
What did he do?
ball of the over.
Oh my God, he's bowled him.
Frederick goes. The captain goes just for 0, a duck. And you can see the
Ladies
celebration.
and
of our
gentlemen,
team.
we have an open position batting coach of Bangalore Rockets. If you want to apply, please contact the
Beautiful.
commentators.
He just taken out the bail from the. If there was a bail.
And the best part is, you'll have to pay us money. We won't pay you money.
Yeah, definitely.
Over.
Ball of the over. Oh.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
And that's out. Wicket. Dhoni doing those runs. Oh, Dhoni coming to bowl now.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
wide.
Go.
Oh, hey, bowl.
Anything.
Oh.
Oh my God, it's going to be one more run out. Dhoni catches. Oh my God.
Overthrown a 4.
Fourth ball.
Third ball.
And last 3 balls. Oh my God. Because the ambulance people will get stuck in the traffic. Oh my God. He's finally held the ball.
Hey, he didn't run. That's a wicket.
There's
Dhoni
a
put the
grave
dance down.
miscommunication between the batsmen.
And the batsman.
Looks like there is no 5G there.
And yeah, I think that's the end of the first innings. You have
So-
a minute till the second innings start. How do you think the first innings
Ladies
went?
and gentlemen, Bangalore Rockets, the star of the match, Cyrus, 26 runs in 22 balls.
Yes.
And the rest of them, it seems like a toll-free number, 03200. it seems like a toll-free number. So if you want to get a life insurance policy, please contact that number.
Yeah. And then you see the bowling numbers. Oh my God. Salim 14 of 2. I
This-
think the best was Stephen, 7 of 2 in 1 over.
And let's not talk about Joshua because it was
I'm already-
it was absolute leakage. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the second innings
Gujarat
by the
Lions
Gujarat
lead.
Lions.
Need 45 runs to win.
The Lions seems high on weed.
Wow.
Here we go.
They kept the broken bat as a son. First ball by Frederick. And there's a 6. First ball.
First ball 6.
First ball 6. Oh! Oh, the
He's
wicketkeeper
missed
not
the
in
ball.
Third
Constipation.
ball. Umpire calling a wide and then a no ball.
I like the move.
But here's the next ball.
Here we go. And it's a wild swing. Oh my God, he's gone.
He's gone. But as a free hit, as a stumping.
It's out.
But they're giving it a wicket. But as a free hit, have a stumping.
No, a free hit has a run out, but not a stumping.
But the umpire here has given out.
The umpire is writing his own rules of cricket. So, how's...
Oh, he hits it to the net and falls short. Here he-
These
he
players are
run up.
making blunders. It's a good shot. Oh my
What the
God, it's a 4.
It's a 4. It's gone through a gap of 2 people.
Striker of the match.
Yes.
Oh,
It's a 6.
It's a 6. It's a good ball.
Wow, that still hit the net. Still back to the nets.
There's some confusion between the batsmen. Thankfully, no run out.
Oh.
Back over the wicket.
Oh.
I would request the batsman to wear a helmet.
You're telling it's impossible for them to lose it from here?
It is impossible But it is possible as long as you have good bowlers and
Oh, bowling.
it's a
Oh,
wide
wide.
ball.
Oh, he became a Krunal Pandya. He's bowling bouncer.
Big Pandya. And he
Oh.
still defended.
Still
The maiden over. It is
the
a maiden over.
the first maiden over of the match. And I think Mr. Stalin is single-handedly pulling down the run rate. The run rate of
Added pressure
Gujarat
on
Lanes
Rohan.
to do well. Yes. First
Takes
ball.
his run up, bowls, and he smashed the ball. Oh my god.
Oh, they miss a stumping.
He's down and it's a wide.
Wide. Ball.
Third ball of the over, and he's just cut. Oh my god.
Oh, is that out? Is that out?
Looks like it is out.
Party go home is the call.
Wicked, ladies and gentlemen.
Umpire has given
Wicked.
it out.
But I feel sorry for the lady. She got afraid. As soon as the ball was in, look at her.
replay. Let's hear replay. How short? I didn't see the ball touching the wicket.
I like the way he's running. He's running cross.
Not running straight up.
Did he study physics?
Hey, please do not talk about party like that. But where? How short was he? Oh, just that
He should
shot.
have dived. If he would have dived, he'd have been
There,
alive.
there, yeah. He's missed that. That play was.
They're unable to watch the ball.
Yes.
It's a good shot. It's a blunder.
The same Frederick captain has left it through his legs. Has gone straight for
He
a
hasn't
four.
left it through his legs. He has combined his legs. It's a
Abhi-
very tense situation.
If you don't know about Abhi, he got out in the first ball, but he's one of the star players. So that's why we are very excited when we got him out.
Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. In the future. It's a wide again.
So, 20 of 20.
It's a good shot. Oh, they
Oh.
don't run. As
Really?
slow as you get.
Oh, it's gone straight to the fielder. He's like, hey, you bowl.
The pressure is on him. The non-striker is the pressure cooker, by the way.
Oh, Sain is fast bowling, choosing spin option now.
Oh my god, he's just spun it out of nowhere.
Sir, is it? Oh, there's too much of dance, but no connection to the ball.
Here we go.
Oh,
It's a wide for the ages. No ball.
I think he overstepped.
It's a free hit, by the way.
Yeah, and they
Wide
left
again.
it.
Oh my god, look
And
at
the
the
wide.
umpire.
He win from here.
He smashed it. Oh
Six.
my god. It's a 6 run.
It's a 6.
He smashed the ball.
They run one.
Why did the fielder wait?
He's waiting for the ball to pitch.
Was he doing a step? Here we go, last two balls.
Last 2 balls. Oh, the catch!
Oh my god, he's
God.
taken a catch.
That's a beautiful catch by the state player, Mr. Cyrus. Although he's given 19 runs, he's taken an important tall man wicket to smash it out of the ground.
11 of 13. It's a
11.
very very tough scenario.
Seeing a replay here. A
He
fast ball
spun the
return
ball.
spinner.
The batsman has no clue about the spin.
Yes. Ball came in slowly and it was a beautiful catch. The way he finished, held on.
He's dived for it. He's hurt himself. Ask Ivy Crew, are there plans to bring in new content ideas for the channel?
There are plans. The second answer, yes. There are plans, but I'll let even the others answer. So you'll see this in our shorts or something.
Plans are there. Plans will be executed.
Plans will be as the bowler kicks the field.
We apologize for the behavior of the players. You have to. You belong to the
Love
state
it.
of our Prime Minister.
11. Oh, references. 11 of 12 balls. Anyway, 25 of 17 drawn. He's been the
Here we
anchor
go.
role for
Manoj
the
is in
team.
the house. Oh my god, he's bowled him.
Bowled him. That was a nice ball coming in.
Rohan has been bowled for 25, just 75 runs short of his maiden 100.
25 waiting. What is your replay here? Oh, it's a nice.
He's just
drawn the
exposed
ball.
his stumps.
And then I think that is a hit wicket also.
He would have exposed his face and not stumps. He would have saved his life and the match.
Yes, anyways.
It's too late, my friend. It's too late.
Oh, Eden has come. Sorry, not Johan.
Oh my god. Johan is playing hockey and not cricket.
And
Oh
then
my
you have Johan. was this.
Oh my God.
3 balls up already. Oh,
He gave a very good pose.
here we go. Oh, hey, they're running there.
And he's just hit it somewhere. It's a very tense situation. 8 of 6. Abhi
Last
to bowl
over.
the final over.
Abhi Singh, the final over, the star bowler, I guess.
If Gujarat loses this match, Mr. Modi will throw all of you out.
Anyways, both the batsmen 2 of 3 balls.
What a ball.
He's thrown that straight to Gujarat.
Over.
Oh! And that's a wicket. I don't know why Eden ran.
Eden ran like he saw food.
Because he's one of the star. He's another. He can hit the ball. But I think they're arguing because they're saying that Eden has crossed. Conversation going on.
Tense situation out here.
Oh.
Is that a white ball? The people are biting their nails. Run, Joshua. Run for your life, my friend. Run.
He ran up. He ran up. He didn't throw the ball and he's again waiting for.
Oh my God. Joshua doesn't watch the ball. Gujarati cheerleaders are watching the match.
I hit the wicket.
I feel ashamed that I have a friend like this who cannot score 6 of 3 and he hits his own wicket.
So it'll be Magma who's bowling the last ball.
It's a very tense situation.
Do you think they'll win it?
Gender inequality, but it's okay.
It's equality only. Both of them are bowling.
Why can't a man bowl to a girl?
Oh, like that.
Our
Lawyer
girls
speaking
are no
facts.
less than man. Oh my God. That ball was more slow than Chennai's victory these years.
Anyway, Bengaluru Rockets win the match. You're seeing the final summary of the match here.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm disgusted by the chase. I'm disgusted by the chase.
But such is life.
Apart from Rohan, everyone else were playing
no,
hockey,
Sai-
golf, everything.
Cyrus also did well, 26 or 22, but yeah.
It's
So we'll be signing off. This is me, Joshua, and with me,
Beautifully bowled.
Gibran Ahmad. Thank you.
Thank you,
It was a
people.
victory ball. We won, but still, in Indiverse, it's all about sportsmanship. It's all about sportsmanship. I'm talking about sportsmanship. We're saying next month. Cut. Sportsmanship. Okay. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen,
Like, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, YouTube. We are not on X, but follow us there also.
yes,
Do everything.
yes. Bill Mutton ko Mardo.
We will see you in the next
Yep.
cricket game.
It's cricket game. No? There's gonna be
We are-
second game.
they're putting tasks for second cricket game.
Oh, now. I thought next. Cut. See you. Only love.
Only